People send me lots of scripts to read and to give notes on. If I could give one piece of advice, this would be it. Welcome to Filmmakers United. Today we're talking about screenwriting, and my number one piece of advice I would give anyone if they want to be a screenwriter and get into it and they're just new to the process of screenwriting, and that is to read more scripts. You will make mistakes as a screenwriter when you first get started, and if you don't read scripts, you're going to miss a lot of the things that are so obvious. I've read probably close to maybe 500 scripts in my life, and you start to really pick up quickly the do's and don'ts. And then when I got into screenwriting, it was almost like I knew the rules, but I didn't quite know the rules of screenwriting. As an actor, when I am given a script to read and I see just these like rookie mistakes, I usually put the script down and, let the people know I'm not interested in their film. Because if that script they deemed good enough to pass on to an actor to read, and there's those kinds of mistakes, then I can already know the quality of filmmaking, that they're going to let simple mistakes slide and they're going to overlook common things that make good storytelling. So it's very important to read scripts, and don't just read your buddy's scripts. Read good scripts. It's very easy. Go online and just Google whatever script, like 500 Days of Summer PDF. Type that in and it will pop up and you will find the shooting script that is out there for everyone to read, and read it. Learn to understand the format, the formula of writing. It's different than books. It's different than comics. It's different than blog posts. It's different than essays and all kinds of writing. It's its own format of writing, and there's different things you do to tell good stories. So if you have an idea, say it's, I really want to write an ensemble heist movie, go read Ocean's 11 and a slew of other good, highly reviewed, highly enjoyed heist movies. As you do, you'll start to see there's patterns to just the way that genre of script writes itself. Use that knowledge to go and improve your script. Recently, I had a friend send me a script from notes, and there were so many mistakes. It's a feature film. There were so many mistakes in it that I got to page 20 and I sent it back to him. I had over 50 notes on just the first 20 pages, and they were mostly formatting and basic stuff, and it was clear that this was not a script that had been looked at with a critical eye by the author. And you have to clear a script of all those mistakes before you start sending it to people, because I can't give notes on a script if you don't know the basics of writing. So go and read scripts in the genre of the films you want to write. Read good scripts. Don't just read crappy movie scripts. Read good scripts of films that you want to make. And with that, you will become such a stronger writer, and you will jump into screenwriting with a whole different look than what most screenwriters are starting with. That is my piece of advice in screenwriting. Number one thing that all screenwriters should do if you want to get started in writing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We're going to be making lots of content. We're going to dive a lot deeper into screenwriting, directing, acting, and producing. This is a channel to get you started in this industry. So please follow us, check us out. We'll be building out more content and posting something every week. Stay tuned. We got lots coming, and I'm very excited about it. Thanks for tuning in.